Brittany's abs, Gwyneth's long and lean frame, and Kim K's curves. There's a secret to how these stars keep their shapes.
Consistent nutrition, and it's going to be training properly for your body type.
Food scientist and fitness trainer Christine Hronec breaking down these body types. First up, endomorph, think curves.
These ladies have a much harder time dropping body fat naturally.
Mesomorph, or athletic.
They can gain weight easily, but they can also lose it relatively easily.
And ectomorph, slender.
People who are naturally lean, no matter what they do, they just can't gain weight. However, for those people, they also just have a hard time adding muscle.
Christine at Ultimate Performance in LA with workouts and nutrition plans for each body type. Ectos fuel up on high protein and carbs and hit the weights hard.
No cardio. I take their cardio away. Any muscle they do gain, you want to keep the muscle.
Mesos, it's all about balance.
Get it, get it, get it.
Sled pushes plus weighted squats are workout go-tos.
The endomorphs are going to need a minimum of 5-6 times a week, 45 minutes of cardio, at least 30 minutes of weight training. But my endomorphs do best when they do intermittent fasting. The key thing is that knowing what your body type is, it allows people to identify with a good place to begin.
Great start to a new year and a new you.